Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well. Myself Sunil Kumar Jaiswal, solution specialist in manufacturing at Capricorn Technologies Private Limited, and I would like to welcome you all to Tech Tuesday video. And today topic is how to use sweep command in Inventor. So before going into session, allow me to introduce our organization. Capricorn is India leading design and construction management technology solution provider for architecture, engineering, and construction. So we are one of Autodesk's largest platinum partner and an authorized training center. We have more than 300 dedicated team members, and Capricorn serves over 20,000 clients in the AC and manufacturing and other industries. So Capricorn has contributed significantly to the country adoption of computer-aided design for more than 3 decades. We offer the best solution approaches and practices to increase your productivity and lower project risk. So we are delighted to inform you that we have a global footprint to serve you with best of our abilities. Capricorn Technology is now a part of Argan's group. So today, sweep command. So what is sweep command? Sweep command is create a solid or surface by extending a profile shape along a specified path. When you sweep a profile along a path, the profile is moved and aligned normal to the path. Open profile creates surfaces and closed curves create solid or surfaces. So just let's see, we will move into the Inventor software and we will see how to perform sweep command. As we can see that this is my Autodesk Inventor Professional 204 screen, and here for sweep command will create profile and path for sweep command. So just go to the start today sketch and just create a plane. So just I am creating a any 2D profile. Just finish, and this is our path, and we have to create a profile. So first we have to create a plane. So just parallel to plane through points, I am selecting parallel to plane through points. So select this XY plane and this point. So automatically datum plane has been created, and go to the start 2D sketch, select plane, and we can create cross section. Just finish and go to the sweep command and profile. Automatically profile has been selected, and select path. So select path, and you can see material added through a path. So just click on OK button, and we can get a 3D solid rectangular pipe. So if we want to hollow this pipe, then we can mm, go to cell command, and here as per requirement we can follow this solid and just OK. As we can see, this hollow rectangular pipe has been created. So let me show you how to create profile through 3D sketches. So just close, and again just I am opening a new window. So first we have to create a 2D sketch. Suppose I'm creating a two circle, finish, and select 3D sketch. We have to project this sketch and finish, and go to again 3D sketch. Just I'm creating a spline. So through 3D sketch, how to create a section and path, just we can see. Just click on finish button and go to sweep command, select profile and select path. So follow circular pipe has been created through sweep command. So for more videos and updates, do subscribe our channel Capricorn Technologies Private Limited and like and comment if you like the Tech Tuesday video, and we would be delighted to hear from you. Please reach out to us for any suggestion, query or topic you would want to discuss. So see you next week. Take care. Bye bye.